What is going on, my YouTube family? Welcome to another real-time workout. Today we're going to be crushing abs together, and it's going to take you less than 10 minutes. This is an awesome workout to do on your own or on its own on a rest day, or pair after a leg day, upper body day, or even some cardio. You decide. All it's going to take you is 10 minutes. So no time at all. We're going to be crushing it together. There's going to be 5 exercises, and we're going to be doing 3 sets. So I'm going to play some music. This is going to be no talking. You guys can jam out, get in the zone, and crush it. And we'll see you at the end of the video. Oh my gosh, you guys, sorry not sorry, sorry in advance. You probably already did the workout now. Sorry for that, okay? My abs are absolutely burning right now. The leg raises with the weight overhead totally killed me. Like that fried my abs the first set. So hope you guys enjoyed it and you are feeling it just like I am. I challenge you to do it 3 times this week. So if you're up for a challenge, comment down below and then come back and let me know what you think. I will do it with you guys. I will be doing it 3 times this week. So you're not gonna be in grueling pain all alone. Goals, train your abs more, because the goal is to train your abs more to have a stronger core, because that is going to help you not only with your core strength, but also your posture and your strength in your other lifts. So to finish off this video, I'm gonna be doing a taste test of the newest 1UP Nutrition collagen peptides. Doesn't smell too much. This is the new blueberry lemonade flavor. There are so many amazing benefits to collagen if you guys don't already know. It's an awesome way to get in your protein without protein powder. You can also do fun things like just drink it as is. I'm just gonna be doing a taste test for you guys right now, so I'm just gonna be mixing it with water. But a couple other great ways to get in your collagen are you can make gummies. You can use gelatin to actually make collagen gummies of your own. The price point is gonna be so much better there. You can also get the unflavored, put it in matcha lattes. You can put it in your coffee. There's also chocolate flavor that you can put in your coffee, put it in like a hot chocolate. And there's also a really good orange flavor from 1UP Nutrition. It's awesome because they have a bunch of different flavors, which makes it really easy to get in your collagen. And like I said, the benefits are 18 grams of protein, hair, skin, nails, joint health, gut health. It can help to heal leaky gut. So there are so many benefits of collagen. I'm gonna be doing a taste test for you guys. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm excited to try. My favorite right now is definitely the strawberry lemonade. It is so good. It's on the sweeter side, so I love it though. But let's give this a shot. Okay, so this is definitely not the same as the strawberry lemonade, and in a good way. Like that one's more sweet if you have a sweet tooth. This one is more tart, so it's like really refreshing and light. Definitely good. Yeah, it's like a little bit sour. It kind of reminds me of like the blue Sour Patch Kid, if I'm being honest. So that's definitely a pass from me. If you guys wanted to try any of the 1UP Nutrition collagen, then you can use my code RANDY20 and that saves an additional 20% on top of all weekly sales. This week you can save 40% and you can also get a free gift when you buy 2. Like I said, so many amazing benefits from collagen, and your hair and your nails will also thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah!